Model, 2009 Ford Transit 100 T350l RWD Detail Tdci 100 Duratorq rear-wheel drive, long wheelbase, ready-to-work low mileage. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 94,241. MOT, the 11th of February 2025. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 100 PS Duratorq. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, Cat D in 2013. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.